Hey everyone, Set It All Your Cars. Today we've got this 2013 63 registered Lexus GS. This one's the 300H model. It's the F Sport one, so it's the good looking one. 59,000 miles, Lexus history to 48. Obsidian black exterior with ivory interior. All the toys, got the Mark Levinson audio, sunroof, the 19-inch wheels. Obviously being an F Sport, you get the different bumpers, a bit more aggressive looking. You get the 19-inch wheels, which are all finished in the original shadow chrome. We've got brand new discs and pads on the front. These 4-pot brakes on the F Sport are mega sharp. They're awesome brakes. It's got the privacy glass, the rear blinds. It's a very clean example. It does drive without fault. We've got 4 Bridgestone Potenza tyres on it. Got your boot lip spoiler, again part of the F Sport. And the lower valance, which is really nice. Your bridge number there for any checks that you wish to carry out. Reverse camera, parking sensors. Believe it or not, these cars are £25 a year to tax and should do around 50 miles per gallon. For a car of this size, that's incredible. Really, really nice looking thing. Headlights are very nice. These are quite common for clouding up. These are all really good. A few minor stone chips on the bonnet. That's fairly normal for a Lexus. But look at that, what a good looking car. Let's show you inside. We'll begin with the boot. Oh, press the wrong button. Yeah. So good size boot on the GS. No folding seats unfortunately because of the battery pack. But all very clean and tidy. You've got your spare wheel in your toolkit, and we have got the original Lexus mats with it. Inside, as I've mentioned, we've got the ivory interior. Super good colour, works really well with the black look. Look at that. It's got the perforated leather as the front seats are heated and cooled. Got your rear isofix, your rear armrest, electric windows. Got the ambient lighting, if you can just see it there. Ouch, that was my head I've just bumped. Rear blind. Oh, super, super nice. And in the front, you've got the driver's comfort seat, which is in good condition. Bolsters all really nice there, look. Loads of adjustment to get yourself comfortable. And that seat is memory as well. Got folding mirrors, auto dipping mirrors, electric windows, blind spot monitoring, 3-spoke steering wheel with paddle shift, with the F Sport logo at the bottom, just there. Got your F Sport gear shifter as well. All the switch gears really nice. Got your climate seat controls there. The Mark Levinson audio, dual climate control. Well, let's just start the car. You see there's no warnings. Oh, it didn't want to start. It's on battery, look. So there you go, you know the battery's all good. We just put it in drive. Oh no, it's in EV mode, so it won't start. But it does start really well. Oh, there we go. Decided to start. All starts really well, no funny noise or anything like that. And a mileage of 59,642. As you've just seen, it is green ready and the EV mode does work. We've got the massive, I think it's 12-inch display in the centre with your Bluetooth audio, your DAB, your navigation, and all your bits and bobs there, look. With the super, super clear reverse camera. Nice illuminated clock in the centre. handbooks, etc. are all in the glove box. The aircon is icy cold. We've got the tilt and slide sunroof, armrest with all your media inputs, and your little tray there, look. Rear blind, parking sensors. Really, that is it. Great car, really worth a look. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do need finance, we can help with that. Thanks for watching.